we have our assessment mid-year, and at the end of the year, another assessment. The results would tell us whether it's effective or not. But I would like to pursue, with our experiences, with our rank one also last year in Carla, that's for reading assessment for grades 1 to 3, where we also ranked 1. And as we did here, or as we have been doing here for education, we have that living program, even before an annual program. So we have those different reading programs by our schools and managed at the district level before we have the director's program, and then until we created the project last summer. So the results of that program would tell us that what we did in our reading programs are effective. And we are very much happy because all the reading programs that we have are now anchored from our program. And we are hopeful that it will become even more effective. So we'll be waiting for its assessment results.